This incredible shrimp carbonara features perfectly cooked shrimp tossed with spaghetti in a creamy, silky sauce. It's outrageously delicious.
As shown by Joanne's hilarious happy dance.
While it isn't exactly traditional, we absolutely love it. Grab a bowl and whisk together 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks, and 2 ounces of finely grated cheese. I'm using a mixture of Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino Romano. Season a pound of shrimp with salt and pepper, then get your pasta going. I'm using spaghetti. Toss chopped bacon, guanciale, or pancetta into a skillet with a bit of olive oil and black pepper. Turn the heat to medium-low and let it sizzle and render. Add a pound of shrimp and cook them until mostly done, about a minute on each side. Transfer them to a plate, then add your cooked spaghetti right into the skillet and toss for a minute or 2 so the pasta becomes coated in that fat. Okay, now stick with me here, it's getting good. Turn the heat off and leave the skillet to cool down slightly, then add a splash of pasta water and the egg and cheese mixture on top. Now start tossing the pasta. Keep it moving, and if you notice it's a bit thick, add a splash more pasta water. Now add your shrimp and any juices from the plate and get ready to dig in. I love serving this heaped on a plate with a generous dusting of cheese and a bit more pepper. See you next time.